Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make carrot halwa or carrot pudding. In order to make that you need 2 spoons of desi ghee, a pound cardamom pod, 4 cups of grated carrot, some raisins and cashews, 1 cup of jaggery or sugar, and 4 cups of milk. The first step is to take a pan like this which has a wide open and then put up to 4 spoons of desi ghee. And just wait till it melts. After the desi ghee has melted, add in the raisins and the cashews, and just let those fry for some time. Raisins start to come in this light to brown color, or start to puff. You should add in the carrots. Let the carrots and the fried fruits just let it fry for up to 5 minutes. Occasionally until all the milk evaporates. After the milk has evaporated, add in the 1 cup of jaggery or sugar and the pound cardamom. Then wait for the ghee to ooze out, come out, separate from it. Keep on stirring it until the ghee separates from the carrot halwa. And if you want the flavor to come out a bit more strong, add a pinch of salt. After it is cooked and the jaggery has melted, it will look like this.